everyone, welcome back to Practice with Pooja YouTube channel. So in today video I will discuss something is very essential, very important, that will help, that will boost your English speaking and you can become a fluent person. So as we know that mirror is one thing that we can look our body, gesture and posture, and always we use every single day. I will use different way that will use and that will enhance your English speaking, and it will also help you to improve your. You are a learner and you want to learn English, but you cannot speak with fluently, with confidently. So I will give you some suggestion, I will give you some tips, you can say. I hope it will help you to improve your English speaking. But first of all, you will have to follow. So you want to speak English language and you are starting English speaking. So you will have to stand in front of the mirror. I know everyone has a mirror and anyone will not make excuse that I have not a mirror. Everyone has a mirror for seeing our face, that how is my look, how is my body gesture and posture. So if you have a mirror, if you are starting English speaking, starting English topic, so you will first of all you will have to stand in front of the mirror and you will have to start the English speaking. What thoughts coming in your mind, but you will have to speak. You will have to speak English as much as you know, as much as you want. So if you will speak English while standing in front of the mirror, then you can boost your English speaking as much as well as you can look, you can guess your body gesture and posture. Why I am saying that? What happened when we speak English? So we cannot notice, we cannot focus our body gesture and posture, which types of style we are speaking English language. So first of all, you will have to speak English language in front of the mirror and you can look your body gesture and posture, that how is my gesture and posture, as well as you can look yourself, that which types of mistake are you doing. If you will do practice every single day, then it will help you to improve your English speaking. And second thing is that you can also remove your hesitation. While standing in front of the mirror, you will have to start the English speaking. So you will be able to analyze that what am I speaking, and you can remove your hesitation. What happened when we know English language and we start the English in front of the public, so we have a hesitation. We have a so much hesitation and we cannot speak what thoughts coming in our mind. So if you will do practice every single day, then you can also remove the hesitation and you can speak English, you can give a speech in front of the 100,000 people. So but you will have to do practice, then you can remove. And next thing is that there is no any partner, so don't think that no need to any partner. Mirror is a one partner to speaking English language and speaking and doing the practice. So if you want to do practice, so you will have to sit and stand in front of the mirror and you will have to start with mirror. So if you will start the English speaking in front of the mirror, you will do practice every single day, then you can remove your hesitation and one day you will become a good and fluent person. So if you want to improve your English speaking, you want to boost your English, you want to boost your confidence, and also you become a fluent person, so you will have to do these things every single day, then you can do everything. So how is this video? Please tell me in comments box. See you soon again next video. Bye bye.